Good morning, afternoon, or night. My name is Brian Arders, and today I will be discussing blow molding. Blow molding is a common plastic manufacturing process that is used to create hollow products like bottles and containers. Now, in this presentation, I will explain how the process of blow molding works, the main steps involved, and then I'll give you some real world applications of this. Now, just to start us off, cover our bases, what is blow molding? Blow molding is a manufacturing process that is used to create hollow plastic parts. It works by heating plastic until it becomes soft and then using air pressure to expand it while it is inside of a mold. This allows the material to take on the shape of the mold and form products like bottles and containers. This process is widely used because it is fast, efficient, and very well suited for high volume production. Now, let's get into the process of it. Step 1. The first step in blow molding is melting plastic pellets until they become a soft, workable material. This melted plastic is then formed into a tube-like shape called a parison, which is what I have pictured here. Those are parisons, which are ready to be a part of the blow molding process and be created into a part, or a product rather. The parison is important because it serves as the starting point for the final product. At this stage, the plastic is still hot and flexible, and this allows it to be shaped in the next step. Step 2, the next step after step 1, blowing and shaping. The parison is placed inside of a mold that has the shape of the final product. Air is then blown into the parison, causing it to expand outward until it presses against the walls of the mold. This is the key step in the process because it determines the final shape of the product. So you get a different mold, you get a different product. The mold ensures consistency, allowing manufacturers to produce identical parts repeatedly. Again, going back to another reason why this is very well suited for high volume production. Step 3, the final step. After the plastic expands to fill the mold, it is allowed to cool and harden. Cooling is important because it allows the material to retain its shape once it is removed from the mold. Once the plastic has solidified, the mold opens and the finished product is removed. At this point, the product may go through minor finishing steps, getting rid of any rough edges or extra plastic, or some cleaning before it is possibly filled with a product. But at this stage, it is mostly complete. Now, I want to give you some real world examples of how the process of blow molding is applied. Some real world applications, some products that you'll see that are made with blow molding. Again, it is very commonly used to produce a wide range of hollow plastic products. One of the most common examples of this is plastic bottles, especially, and hang with me here, polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, as I more lovingly refer to it. Anyway, PET bottles are used for water, soda, other beverages. These bottles are very lightweight, very inexpensive to produce, and can be made in large quantities very quickly. This is one of the best examples of how blow molding is used because it's a process that's very good for high volume, very repetitive production, and plastic bottles are just one of those things that is insanely numerous in its production. So getting very large quantities out very quickly. But another very important application is in fuel tanks for vehicles. A lot of vehicles have plastic fuel tanks, and blow molding allows manufacturers to create seamless, leak-resistant tanks that are both strong and lightweight. It's important for safety and efficiency. Blow molding can also be used to make containers for household products such as detergent bottles, shampoo bottles, cleaning supplies. These products benefit from being durable and resistant to chemicals, and it's also, like the plastic bottles from earlier, one of those things that is very mass produced these days. And again, it's a very applicable process for this. But even larger items like industrial storage tanks, drums, and I don't have some pictured here, but even playground equipment can be made using variations of blow molding. So it's a very good process for many things. It's ideal for any product that's hollow, lightweight, and needs to be produced efficiently at high volumes. So, in conclusion, blow molding is an efficient manufacturing process that involves forming a heated plastic tube, then expanding it with air while it's inside of a mold, and then cooling it into the finished product. This process is widely used in the industry because it allows for fast and consistent production of hollow plastic parts. The information in this presentation was supported by engineering sources like manufacturing, engineering, and technology, which provides detailed explanations of plastic manufacturing processes such as blow molding. Now, as a disclaimer, I did use AI to create this presentation. I used ChatGPT to aid my research, my script building, and my presentation making. I found it to be a very useful tool in understanding the process of blow molding and also for building the presentation. I'm a little technologically advanced in some areas. Presentation making is one of those areas where I'm not, so it's nice to have a quick and easy help source when I need it. Thank you for